So I have two laptops and a docking station that I want to sell. The first one here I'd like to talk about is the Dell Latitude e6400. Um, it has Windows 7. It has 4 gigs of RAM, a 500 gig solid state drive, and a DVD burner. If you can see on the sides here what we have. And yeah, and then the next one I've got is a Latitude 13, and it is kind of a smaller laptop with a maybe a 14 inch, and I think the other one's got a 14 screen size, and it has a couple of USB ports, USB NIC, Wi-Fi. A Both of them do not have cameras on the laptops. And this Latitude 13 has 160 gig hard drive. It has 4 gigs of RAM and a Intel, as you can see here, an Intel Core 2 Dual processor with, of course, Windows 7 license. Both of them will be wiped, so there won't be an operating system installed on there. And yeah, and then also this setup here also comes with a 17-inch monitor. Thank you.